All right, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Easter. A couple of students had sent me emails. They needed a little bit more detailed explanation about the questions on case study number 4, so let me give it to you. First off, go ahead and listen to the podcast. It talks all about the people who sell beer and hot dogs and all kinds of food vendors at Fenway Park from my hometown in Boston. All right. And it's a very interesting one, and it describes why some of the vendors choose particular products to sell. That's what I want you to keep in mind, their decision-making process. Remember, this is a management class, so they are doing management. They are picking products. So now let's see. First question, what are the variables that vendors consider when deciding which product to sell in the park? Please explain why they choose one product over another and what are the results. Are they profitable? Well, an easy one, of course, is, hey, weather. If it's really cold weather, will people be drinking beer or not? An example. Would they be potentially drinking a hot beverage? That's just one example. There are others given here, all right? And also be looking at what part of the stadium they want to be selling in, all right? Next question. Give examples of other firms in any industry that use these same variables to choose which markets to enter or which products to sell. Cite examples. Explain why or why not they are successful. So after you've identified some of these variables in number 1, okay, use those same variables and pick a product or a service from some other company. It could be in any industry. And answer that for number 2. And then number 3, I changed the wording slightly so it was completely explicit, meaning clear. Same question as number 2, but this time analyze the company you chose for your management memo. Be sure to cite your references. So, for example, going back to the weather example, if, say, hypothetically, you were a, I don't know, transportation company, wouldn't that impact your availability of your services, as an example? This is if you're having difficulties here, guys. I think you're overthinking it. All right. Basically, walk right through these questions. They build right upon each other. Listen to the case study. It tells you why vendors choose which products. Explain that in number 1. Then, based on those variables, those factors, why they choose which product to sell and where, give examples from another industry, and then finally, give an example from your company itself. Okay? All right, guys, good luck. If you have any further questions, email me. Thanks. See you in class tomorrow.